Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, teacher.
Okay. Myself, Miss Asmita Rokde, and I'm going to teach you English subject. Okay? Okay? Okay, student.
Okay, teacher.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
Umbrella.
Okay, this is umbrella. Okay? Now I show you one picture. See the picture. Wait a minute. Okay. See, what is this?
Raincoat. Raincoat.
Very good. This is raincoat. Okay. See the next picture, student. Next picture. What is this? Frog. Very good. This is frog. Okay. So, tell me, umbrellas is related to which season?
Rain.
Rain season. Okay. Very good. Very good. Rain, umbrella, frog, and raincoat related to rainy season. Okay. There are 3 seasons. Okay. Wait a minute. See all these things. See. Clouds. Rainbow. And okay. Umbrella. Okay. All these things related to rainy season. Okay. There are 3 seasons. Rainy season, winter season, summer season. Okay. There are 3 seasons. Rainy season, winter season, and summer season. And today we are going to learn poem related to rainy season. Okay. Today we are going to learn poem related to rainy season. Okay. Before that, I am going to sing a song. Okay. Ready? Everybody ready?
Yes.
Okay. Song related to rainy season. Okay. First listen carefully and then repeat after me. Okay. I hear thunder. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. I hear thunder.
I hear thunder.
I hear thunder.
I hear thunder.
How don't you?
How don't you?
How don't you?
How don't you?
Sorry. Oh, don't you?
Oh, don't you?
Peter patter raindrops.
Peter raindrops.
Peter patter raindrops.
Peter patter raindrops.
I wade through.
I will do.
I wade through.
I will do.
Okay. Again, listen carefully. Only listen. Okay. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Peter patter raindrops. Peter patter raindrops. I wade through. I wade through. Okay. Today we are going to learn English subject and our poem name is Rain. Our poem name is Rain. 2.1 Rain. Okay. See the rain spelling. R-A-I-N. Rain. Repeat after me. R-A-I-N.
R-A-M. R-A-I-N. Rain.
R-A-I-N. Rain. Okay. Look, listen, sing, and talk about the picture. Okay. See this picture. See this picture, student. Okay. Rain. Okay. What we see in that picture? What we see? Rain picture. This is rain picture. Okay. This is our Balbati textbook picture. Okay. First we listen this. Poem carefully. Okay. First listen this poem carefully. Okay. Only listen. Okay. Hold your hands. Keep quiet. Keep quiet, everybody. Only listen to teacher. Okay. First listen to teacher. The rain is falling all around. It's falling on the field and tree. Okay, first listen to teacher, then repeat after me. Okay, first listen to teacher. The rain is falling all around. It's fall on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Again, I repeat this poem. The rain is falling all around. It's fall on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Okay, now repeat after me. The rain is falling all around.
The rain is falling all around.
It's fall on the field and tree.
Fall on the field and tree.
Very good, very good. It's rain on the umbrellas here.
It's rain on the umbrellas here.
And on the ships at sea.
And on the ship at sea.
Okay, again I repeat. The rain is falling all around.
The rain is falling all around.
It fall on the field and tree.
It's fall on the field and tree.
It rains on the umbrellas here.
It's rain on the umbrellas here.
And on the ships at sea.
And on the ship at sea.
Very good, very good. Okay, this poem written by Robert Stevenson. Okay, this poem is written by Robert Stevenson. Okay. See this picture. What we see in that picture? Tell me. Observe this picture.
Cloud, rain, umbrella, tree, field, sea, and ship.
Very good, very good. We see the things related to rain. Okay. This is rain picture. We see umbrellas, tree, raindrops, field, clouds, ships. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now see the meaning of this poem. Okay. See the meaning of this poem. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. It's rain on the umbrellas here and the ship and on the ships at sea. Okay. See the meaning of this poem. Now see the meaning of this poem. Wait a minute. This poem is written by Robert Stevenson. Okay. Okay. See the first line, student. See the first line. The rain is falling all around. The rain is falling all around. Okay. All around means everywhere. All around means everywhere. Rain is falling everywhere. On the sea, on the trees, on the rivers, on the flowers, on the field, on the houses, everywhere. Rain is falling everywhere. Okay.
That's why flower is big overing.
Okay. All around means everywhere. All around means everywhere. Okay. Or falling means come down on earth. Okay. Come down on earth. Coming down on earth. Okay. Rain is falling on all things. Okay.
Okay.
See this. Rain is falling on mountains, on flowers, on rivers, everywhere. Rain is falling everywhere. Okay. Now see the next line, student. Next line. It's fall on the field and tree. It's fall on the
Yeah.
field and tree.
Tree
Rain is fall on field and
and
tree.
tree.
Okay. See, this is field. This is field. Now, what is the meaning of field? What is the meaning of field? Field means an area of land on a farm. An area of land on farm. Farmer works in the field. Farmers work daily in the field. And this field used for growing crops or keeping animals in. This field used for growing crops and keeping animals in. Okay. But everybody knows trees. Okay. So rain is falls on the field and tree. Okay, this is field and see the green trees. Okay, everywhere there. See the green trees. Do you know trees?
Yes.
Okay. See the green field. Field means part of farm. Okay. Farmers work daily in the field. Okay. See, this is field and trees. Okay. See the next line. See the next line. It rains on the umbrellas here. It's rain on the umbrellas here. Okay. Rain also fall on umbrellas also. Okay. Rain fall on umbrellas also. See this girl.
Yes. Rain also falling umbrella.
Very good. Rain is falling on umbrella. Okay. Rain also fall on umbrellas. See the next line, student. See the next line. And on the ships at sea.
At sea.
And on the ships at sea. Okay. Now, see, this is ship. This is ship. Rain is also fall on ships.
Ship.
Okay. Now, what is the meaning of ship? Ship, a large boat used for carrying passengers. A large boat used for carrying passengers or cargo. Okay. A large boat used for carrying passengers. See, this is in this picture we see this is boat and boat is sailing on sea. Boat is sailing on sea. Big boat. This is big boat sailing on sea. Okay, see, this is sea. S-E-A. See, this is sea. Blue sea. Okay. Rain also fall on big ship. Rain is also fall on big sheep. Which color sheep? Which color sheep?
Brown.
Brown color ship. Very good. This is brown color ship. Okay. And which color sea?
Blue.
Blue color sea. Okay. Very good. Very good. See how raindrops falling on ships and sea. Okay. Now see the hard words. Okay. See the hard words.
This is
See the first hard word. Field. Field. F-I-E-L-D. Field. Repeat after me.
F-I-E-L-D. Field.
Very good. F-I-E-L-D. Field. Field means an area of land on a farm. Field means an area of land on a farm. And field is used for growing crops and keeping animal in. Field is used for growing crops and keeping animals in. Okay. What is the meaning of field? An area of land on a farm. Okay. Farmer work daily in the field. Okay. F-I-E-L-D. Field. Repeat after me.
F-I-E-L-D. Field.
Okay. See the next word. What is it?
Cloud.
Very good. This is clouds. Okay. See the spelling of cloud.
C-L-O-U-D-S. Cloud.
Very good. C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds. Now see the meaning of clouds. A mass of very small drops of water. A mass of very small drops of water that float in the sky. Clouds float in the sky. Okay. Cloud means cloud made by very, very small drops of water. Clouds made by very, very small drops of water. Okay, see, this is cloud. Okay, again repeat this spelling. C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S. Repeat after teacher. Okay. See the next hard word. S-H-I-P. Ship. S-H-I-P.
Ship.
Okay, repeat after teacher. S-H-I-P. Ship.
S-H-I-P. Ship.
Okay.
S-H-I-P. Ship.
Okay, very good. See this meaning of ship. A large boat used for carrying passenger. A large boat used for carrying passenger cargo. Okay. There is difference between boat, small boat and big ship. Okay. Boat is small and ship is big, very, very big. Okay. Used for carrying passenger. Okay. This is ship. Ship is sailing on sea. Okay. Very, very big ship.
And rain falling on the ship.
Okay. Now, see the next hard word. Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Okay, this is umbrella. See the spelling of umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella.
U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella.
Okay, very good. Umbrella. See the spelling of umbrella. 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 Okay.
Okay.
Again repeat.
Yes.
Repeat the spelling.
UMBRELLA. Umbrella.
Okay, very good.
Umbrella.
See the next question. Look and say. Okay. Look and say. Okay. First, listen to teacher and then repeat after teacher. Okay. See the first word. Rain.
Rain.
R-A-I-N. Rain.
R-A-I-N. Rain. Rain.
Okay. R-A-I-N. Rain.
R-A-I-N. Rain.
Okay. See the next word. Falling.
Falling.
F-A-L-L-I-N-G. Falling.
Falling. F-A-L-L-I-N-G. Falling.
Okay. F-A-L-L-I-N-G. Falling.
F-A-L-L-I-N-G. Falling.
Okay. Very good. See the next. Around.
Around.
Okay. First listen to teacher, then repeat after teacher. Okay. First listen to teacher. Around. A-R-O-U-N-D. Around.
A-R-O-U-N-D. Around.
A-R-O-U-N-D. Around.
A-R-O-U-N-D. Around.
Okay. See the next word. Field. Okay. F-I-E-L-D. Field.
F-I-E-L-D. Field. I-E-L-D. Field.
F-I-E-L-D. Field.
F-I-E-L-D. Field.
Okay. See the next word.
Tree.
Okay. First listen to teacher first. T-R-E-E. Tree.
T-R-E-E. Tree.
T-R-E-E. Tree.
T-R-E-E. Tree.
Okay, very good. See the next, okay? Next word. Umbrella. Okay, very good. First listen to teacher. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella.
U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella.
Okay. Repeat again. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella.
U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A.
U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Okay. See the next now.
Sheep.
S-H-I-P. Sheep.
Sheep.
S-H-I-P. Sheep.
S-H-I-P. Sheep.
Okay. C. S-E-A-C.
S-E-A-C.
Okay. Clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds.
C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds.
L-O-U-D-S. Clouds.
CNOUTDS, cloud.
Okay, very good. See the next, see the question. Name the things that you see in the picture. Name the things that you see in the picture. Okay, which thing you see in this picture?
Cloud, rain, umbrella, tree, flag, and ship.
Okay, many things are there. Very good. Many things are there. Umbrella, clouds, trees, field, sheep, raindrops. Okay, many things. Very good, all of you. Very good. Okay. This is sheep, umbrella, green umbrella. Okay. Blue umbrella, trees, sheep. Which color sheep?
Blue.
And which color umbrella?
Green. Green and blue.
Okay,
Green and blue.
first thing is cloud.
Cloud.
Clouds, clouds. Okay.
Clouds. Clouds.
Umbrella. Second thing is umbrellas. 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 Okay. Two umbrellas.
Rain.
Third thing is rain. Okay, very good. RAIN, rain.
Rain.
Sheep.
SHIP, sheep. SHIP, sheep.
Okay.
TREES.
Trees. Very good. TREES. Trees. Okay. We see clouds, umbrella, rain, sheep, trees, and field. Okay?
Field.
Field.
FIELD, field.
FIELD, field. Okay, very good. We
IELD,
see
field.
clouds, umbrella, rain, sheep, trees, field in this picture. Okay? Now see the next question. Okay?
Yes.
Next question. See the next question. See this question. Where does the rain fall?
The rain falls on the grass and road.
Okay. And next. Where does the rain
Umbrella.
fall? Umbrella. Okay, very good. And?
Field and sea.
Okay. The rain is falling all around. Rain is falling all around. See the answer? On the umbrella, on the sea, field, everywhere. Rain is falling all around. Okay? Where does the rain fall? Rain falls on all around. Repeat after me.
The rain is fall all around.
Okay. Rains fall all around. Okay. See the next question now. Where do you see the sheep?
I see sheep in the sea.
Okay, very good.
Sheep at sea.
Okay, very good. We
Sheep
see
at
the
sea.
sheep at sea. Okay. Repeat after me. We see the sheep at sea.
At sea. See the sheep at the sea.
Okay, very good. Rain. RAIN. Rain.
RAIN, rain.
Okay. The rain is
falling around us.
First listen to teacher, then repeat after me, okay? The rain is falling all around.
The rain is falling all around.
It fall on the field and tree.
It fall on the field and tree.
It's rain on the umbrellas here.
It's rain on the umbrellas here.
And on the ships at sea.
And on the ship at sea.
Okay. Again, listen this poem. The rain is okay now. Sing with me, okay? Sing
Yes.
this poem with me, okay? The
Yes.
rain is falling all around. The
rain is falling all around.
It's fall on the
On
field
the field and tree. It
it's
fall
rain
on
on
the
the
field.
umbrellas here.
It's
And
rain on the umbrella here.
okay. Again repeat this poem.
Yes.
Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, start.
The rain is falling all around. It's fall on the field and tree. It's rain on the umbrellas here and on the ship at sea.
Okay, everybody understand this poem?
Yes.
Okay, thank you all of you.